The Japanese particle de has several meanings. In this video, you will learn how to use de to indicate the location in which an event or an action takes place. The particle de is used when an action or an event happens within one location. Let's have a look at some examples. おじいちゃんは刑務所で生活している。おじいちゃんは刑務所で生活している。Grandpa is living in jail. In this sentence, de follows the noun 刑務所, jail. So, 刑務所 is the location in which grandpa performs the living action. キャバクラでおばあちゃんを見た。キャバクラでおばあちゃんを見た。I saw grandma at a kabakura or cabaret club. In this example, de follows the noun キャバクラ, so キャバクラ is the location in which this traumatic experience occurred. 僕はいつもトイレの上で死について考える。僕はいつもトイレの上で死について考える。I always think about death on the toilet. In this sentence, de indicates that the noun phrase トイレの上 on the toilet is the location in which the subject thinks. In this way, de can be used with verbs that denote mental or psychological actions as well. Finally, let's see one important difference between the particle de and the particle ni. In a previous video, you learned that ni indicates the location of existence, and that ni is usually accompanied by verbs of existence, such as ある and いる. De, on the other hand, cannot be used with these verbs when they denote existence. For example, you can't say おじいちゃんが刑務所でいる. Grandpa is in jail. Or おばあちゃんの遺体が冷蔵庫の中である. Grandma's corpse is in the freezer. However, the verb ある can also denote occurrence, in which case ある can be used with で as in 東京で大きな地震があった。東京で大きな地震があった。There was a big earthquake in Tokyo. In this sentence, the verb ある doesn't mean there existed an earthquake in Tokyo. Instead, it means an earthquake happened in Tokyo. This is the end of this episode. See you next time.